What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a clickable link to a Facebook post using the mobile app. Adding a clickable link to your post is a great way to direct people to your website, a blog, a product page, or any online destination you want your audience to visit. Start by opening the Facebook app and tapping What's on your mind at the top of your feed to begin creating a new post. If you're planning to make the post public, for example to reach a wider audience or promote something, tap on the Audience Selector header, change it to Public and tap Done. Now type out whatever message you want to include. To add the clickable link, go to your browser and copy the URL you want to share by tapping the address bar and holding down on the link and select Copy. Switch back to Facebook, tap into the post area again and paste the link. Facebook will automatically detect the link and generate a preview, which includes the website's thumbnail, title and a short description. At this point, you have two options. Leave the link visible in the text, which makes it easy for people to copy or reference. Or delete the pasted link, and Facebook will keep the clickable preview in your post. This helps keep your post looking clean while still allowing users to click through to the site. Once you're happy with your post, tap on Next and then tap on Post in the top right corner to publish it. Your post with the clickable link is now live, and viewers can tap on it to go directly to the webpage you shared. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.